So I spent the early part of my career making larger pieces of sculpture, commission works for various places, mainly in stone, but sometimes in wood. And when I moved to Canada, that didn't continue quite so much, but we did have a time when we made a series of sculptures for the Uxbridge Symposium. And that was a lot of fun, carving older trees that were needing to be taken down. And this is an old maple from one of the streets in Uxbridge that got recarved. It never got put into the township. We ran out of bases, so now it lives in my garden. And I'm enjoying it age. It's getting a bit of mold, and a woodpecker had a go at it a couple of summers ago. And the cracks are getting deeper, but generally it's just falling apart in a really beautiful way.